So in this question here, we've got the standard normal distribution. X is normally distributed 0, 1. So that means the mean is 0 and the standard deviation, which is the same as the variance in this case, is 1. Now we want to find the probability x is greater than x equals 0.9. So we need to find this value x, and the area under the curve from that point will be 0.9. So basically we need to go this way and have the total area 0.9. So it will start somewhere here and then be 0.9. Now we know the mean is 50 and one standard deviation across is another 34% by the empirical rule. So we know it will be somewhere here. So somewhere between -2 and -1 standard deviations. So if I just mark them off on here, mean is 0, one standard deviation is 2, add 2 more, is 2, and 3, -2, -3. So each standard deviation moves across from the mean by 1. So we know we're looking for a position here, somewhere between -1 and -2. So what we need to do now is put in our calculator, probability x is less than x. Now, notice I've changed the direction of the inequality because that's the direction our calculators will use. So therefore, we need, by symmetry, 0.1. So if we type in here in our calculator, area equals 0.1. Okay. So we've got it set on variable, which is what we want. The tail we want to try, first of all, let's try the left tail. Then we want the area to be 0.1 as done in the question. Then the standard normal distribution, 1 for the standard deviation and 0 for the mean. Press execute, get -1.2 as required. Or we could have gone to the right tail and changed the area to 0.9. And by the laws of symmetry should give us the same result as it does, 1.281 and so on. 6. That's roughly what you get out of your calculator. So that fits in well, somewhere between -1 and -2. So the answer to this is x equals -1.2816. Okay.